Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comment. So we've got rains moving across the Chicagoland area in the next 2 days. As far as key points in the markets, number one, overnight we saw some weaker world prices of beans and meal. Down in Argentina, it looks like farmers are beginning to move soybeans to the ports, and Argentina export soybean prices dropped pretty dramatically, and they're cheaper than Brazil and the U.S. We also saw meal futures in China drop pretty sharply overnight. Some talk about slower meal demand to the feed users, and a drop in the crush margins in the last couple of days has those markets weaker. Also here in the United States, we start the Goldman Index roll today as they roll their May contracts into July, so overnight volume, especially in corn, was a little bit better than what we've seen recently. As far as U.S. weather is concerned, there is going to be rain in the Midwest the next 24 hours. Then we kind of cool down a little bit for the weekend, and then next week the maps actually show better chance of rains for the dry areas of the western Midwest and Kansas. So that should be a little bit negative to prices if realized. Thursday we got the USDA supply and demand monthly report. Again, the market expects USDA to raise the corn carryout, lower the bean carryout, and we'll see if the machines want to buy beans and sell corn after those numbers come out. And then finally, we've seen option volatility drop this past week, suggesting that the bullishness in the market might be leaving, whether it's due to slowdown in demand for U.S. exports or maybe a more favorable U.S. weather forecast. So all in all, the markets are choppy, and overnight we're a little bit higher, maybe some short covering in front of the USDA supply and demand report, but world prices, especially in beans, are lower. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.